This short guide shows how to buy shares of Booking Holdings, Inc., the U.S. online travel services company that connects travelers with hotels, flights, and accommodations. Booking Holdings trades on NASDAQ under the ticker BKNG, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy BKNG, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the workflow. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an ID, and you will also need to add funds before you can place a buy order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BKNG to find the stock. Select the result that clearly names Booking Holdings, Inc. to open the correct listing. On the Booking Holdings asset page, you will see a brief company description and a price chart showing recent movement. Confirm the listing displays NASDAQ and ticker BKNG to ensure it is the correct stock. To invest, click the Trade or Buy button. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when the market reopens. If your account balance is insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add funds before completing the purchase. After execution, the new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor performance and set alerts. A reference link to eToro is available in the video description.